How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. I did some previous videos where I went over my delivery of my Tesla Model 3. I bought it as blue with the white interior, and it was completely stock obviously when I bought it. And I've done some modifications to it, nothing too crazy, but stuff that greatly increases the look of my Tesla. Now, most Teslas you see on the road, they have your standard aero wheels on them. Sometimes people have upgraded to sport wheels, and then they've got just the basic look of it. And I personally think, I mean, the Tesla's Model 3 is not the best looking car, but it's not the worst looking car either. But I think with a few simple things, you can make it look fantastic. And ever since I've done these things to my car, I've gotten so many compliments on how amazing and awesome looking my Tesla looks. I mean, I know I sound a little bit full of myself here, guys, but trust me, the overall look of my Tesla now is greatly improved. And here it is, my Tesla Model 3 greatly improved look with a couple of modifications. And obviously, the first thing you're gonna notice is the new gloss black wheels. And I think these wheels add a great sporty look to the car. And these wheels are 20-inch T-Sportline TSTs, and they've got Toyo rubber on them. So they do have a low profile kind of stance to them. So the one thing that you will have to get used to with these wheel tire combination is obviously it's gonna be a little bit more bumpy on the road. You do kind of have to watch out for potholes, but I think the look is so much better than stock. I absolutely love the look of these wheel tire combination, and I've gotten so many different compliments about people seeing this and saying, wow, those wheels look fantastic on your Tesla. And I think they do. I know they just do. They just look absolutely amazing. Now, the next modification that I did add to my car is just right at the back right here, and it is the rear carbon fiber lip spoiler. And this one is a replica of the Tesla Model 3 Performance lip spoiler. This particular one is real carbon fiber, and it's got a gloss finish to it. And I think that little lip look to it adds a really good completed stance look to the Tesla Model 3. So you can see just how awesome it looks now. It does kind of look like the Tesla Model 3 Performance if you look at it from afar. Performance does have the painted calipers, so I was thinking maybe I will paint my calipers to look a lot better. And also the Tesla Model 3 Performance is a lower car, and you can see just the wheels right there. There's a little bit more of a gap, so possibly in the future I'll lower it, but I think for now I really do like the look of it. Now, for as far as future modifications go, another quite simple one that I'm going to do is I'm going to tint the windows on there. So I'm trying to decide between the ceramic tint or the standard tint, and I'm not really sure exactly, but I definitely do want to tint the windows on there. But overall, I just think the look is nearly complete. Once I add those window tints in there, I think the stance is just greatly improved. I'm super happy with the overall look of my Tesla Model 3. Guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these modifications that I've done, and what do you think of my 2021 Tesla Model 3.